Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily load products in Shopify. So let's get started. All right, so first of all, of course, you need to create a Shopify account, and it's you get 14 days trial. So you can check the link in my description, have a link to it. It's my affiliate account, so affiliate link. So if you sign through my account, you are just helping to support my channel. All right, so let's get started. So this is your dashboard when you log into your Shopify account. So to load products, so this is a store I have already. So if you click on products, okay, you're going to see all these products that I've loaded already. But first of all, to load the product, you need to go and select collection. So you need to create a collection for it, because for instance, like this one, you can see that I have a bunny, hoodies, sweatshirt, t-shirt, and then the shop itself. So what we want to do is that I'm using this AliExpress as a reference point or as a reference site so that I can load the product. Now, this is it. So this is that. Okay, so we click on create collection. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a collection for watch. So I'm going to call this watch. Okay. All right. So let me call this description to watch. All right. So now you can decide to give you a detailed description for SEO purposes, but let's work on it. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, so you need an account with ChatGPT, and you can easily create an account. It's chat.openai.com, and you create a free account. So I'll say that write 50 word this product description, product collection for watches, product description, description for watch collection. All right, so you do that for SEO purposes. All right, so there you go. All right, so okay, so this is what I'm going to pick. Okay, so for SEO purposes, you have watch, okay, fusion of timelines, sophistication, crafted with precision. So that's what I'm going to do. So this, you post this here. So that's what I'm going to do. This is going to help with the SEO. Now you can go to edit and then kind of edit further and add some keywords, some keywords. And so this one, I'm going to remove some parts of it because some of them might not be needed, but okay. So what I'm going to need is elevate, embrace the optimal luxury. I'm going to remove this because I don't need this for the SEO, so that it will fit to 320. All right, so this is it. So I'm done with this. The next thing that I can decide to do that, but I click on save. All right, so this is it. So first of all, before you create a product, I need to create a collection, then you create a product and link to it. So the next thing is I'll go to product. Okay, now I'm going to pick the product itself. Now, one thing is that you want your store to have uniform, dimensions of all the product in there. What I do is that I use, Canva. Okay, so I click on create design, and I'm going to go to, what I'm going to do is that I need to have a custom size. Okay, and normally for my online store, what I do is 1080 by 1080 pixels. So let me pick it since I have it here. And I'm going to load, the product in there so that I have unique dimensions. So I'm picking this. I'm using this AliExpress image. Okay, for it, I've already downloaded it. Okay, I don't want it to be too lengthy. So I have this here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to load the product. Okay, so I'm going to upload, and I'm going to do that. So one thing is that people do not have uniform dimensions, and you see that it makes their stores looks funny. So what I'm going to do is that I need to go to downloads, and these are the 3 images I'm using. Okay, so I load it. Yeah, so that's it. So I click one, right click, set it so that it fits. Go to the second one. So let me pick this one, right click, set as background. Go to the third one, the black one, set as background so that it fits. So everything will be uniform. I click on share. Okay, and I download. Okay, so that's it. So make sure it's JPEG. Don't make it PNG, because PNG will make it too huge. So now I'm downloading it. So that's it. So Canva is done. So I go back here. Okay, so boom, I have it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is the add product, and there you go. So now the headline. So I'm going to pick the headline. This is the name, luxury watches. Okay, now I'm not going to go too much into the SEO aspect. I'm just going to pick this one. Okay, paste it here, and you can use the same ChatGPT, okay, so that it can give you more detailed one. I'm going to put the same thing here, okay, so that we can just get it faster. Now I'm going to load this, okay, from where I am, what I did. So I need to, extract what I got from, Canva. So there's it. So there you go. I can now go back, pick the watches, okay, and there you go. So these three. So now you can check the dimensions, and you can see that it's 1080 by 1080. Click on open, loads it. The next thing is that I'm going to come here, make sure the status is active, and you can choose the product type. So what product type are you having? Okay, so you can give it a custom category. Then the vendor can be you, which is this, okay, and then the collection, which collection. So you have to come here, choose watch, so that it will show in the watch section, okay. And then for me, I have shop, okay. The shop, the reason why I add the shop is that when somebody click on shop, it loads all the product, but you can decide to ignore it or put it there, okay. Now the tags, that's where it's very important. So you type watches, so that when somebody searches in your store, you can easily watch it, see it. So luxury, okay, you can decide to do luxury watches, anything, so that people can easily identify the product. Now the next thing is that the price. So I've set this store in cedis, which is my local currency. So let's say I make it 450 cedis. All right. Now if you want to do compare price, this is where you want to do like a promo, like you have discounted it. Now with this one too, you can decide to know your cost and profit margin. You can decide to do that, so that at the back end you can be able to see it. So this is how you do it. Then SKU, that's the stock keeping. You want to give it a unique stock numbering, so that you can easily track everything. You can do that here too. And then you can do the shipping, so you can see that this is it. So the SEO, there are other tools that you can use to look for the SEO or do proper SEO search, and out of that you can be able to be sure that you are using the right keywords. So basically when you are done, click on save, and that's it. So save and make it active, okay, and then you can be able to check the front end when you are done. So basically that's how to create a product, okay, like load a product on Shopify.